2014 Chevy Express 1500. Signal light is out in the back. I want to show you how to change it. Had to make sure what bulb it is. It's going to be the top bulb. You see in the top bulb right there? Alright, so it's a 10mm socket. And I'm just finding out I'm missing a 10mm here. Actually, it broke off. Look at that. And that is broken off. I should be able to still fit one on there, but that rusted off. I didn't even notice that from the dealership. But here's the bad thing is it's below this right here. So I gotta probably take this one off also, because that is below that right there. Let me show you this also. I keyed in the numbers, and this is the numbers from the Sylvania app that it gave me, right? These are LEDs. This is the number. I asked the O'Reilly's guy, he pulled it up and it's the same number, but you look on the back, it says for off-road use only, but this is the number that it gave me. Before I put those back on, I'm gonna go get some WD-40 because that one was a nightmare to come off. It makes no sense. I gotta take this top one off to get the light off. See? Now I should be able to get the light out because I had to loosen that up because it's on top of the light. Oh great, so I got this out right here, but if you look in, there's two pins holding this on right here, and there's a third screw underneath the tail light. The third 10mm is underneath all this right here, so I gotta try to get those pins out in there without cracking them. Alright, so I went to go get some needle nose. The top one popped out pretty easy, but that bottom one I can't get out, so I'm trying to grab it with the needle nose to squeeze it together to get it out. And I don't want to break those because I don't want all this loose when I'm driving. So I cracked it trying to get it out. That damn thing, I couldn't get it out, so now I'm just going to get it out right. See that right there? And I'm going to glue that sucker on right there. So since I didn't find no piece in here or anything fall, somebody else actually cracked it. Because I was already missing a screw. And then all this will come out. That's the last screw from there. And Bob's your uncle. Alright, so I know it's the top one. So I'm going to get the top one out right here. And these got the old screw bulbs in it. I guess Sylvania is trying to push their new LED ones. Because the 3157s, I guess I could have purchased one in that also. I carry my grandkids, so I didn't mind it brighter. There's the LED bulb right there. The LEDs are actually kind of on the sides, so I guess deflect so it don't come completely out the front. You're supposed to hold it by those, so let me put that in. That is bright as HE double hockey sticks. I'm gonna change both of them, just not right now because I got something to do. Put it back in reverse. Put this screw on the top first. Put the clips back in and screw this on. Clips back in, screw this on, then screw the other two 10mm. Houston, we have a problem. It still signals like a blown out light bulb. Look, it's fast. That's how it should be. This is how it lets you know it's a blown out light bulb. I'm just gonna put it on, drive like that for today, then I'm taking it back to the store because the guy said it's not gonna make a difference. Well, it's making a difference. Now I'm gonna be a pain in the ass and I have to do this twice. Either way, talk to you later. Subscribe, like, and share. Don't get those Sylvania LEDs for your van, even though the 3157's LEDs are the first ones that come up. Your van, your Chevy Express won't register them as it's a regular light bulb. Okay, so there's a pace for the regular blink light. The regular one. The 3157, but not the LED 3157. Now the other 3157 is a lot brighter, although you see how fast it's blinking. the van is registering it that there's no brake light or the brake light is out. So I'm just going to use it for today. I got some running around, and then as soon as I get back, I'm going to change them out and just get 2 of the regular 3157s, not the LEDs. And I told the guy at the store when I picked them up, and it was the first one that came up when he keyed it in. It's the first one that came up when I keyed it in. He said it shouldn't make a difference. Well, it makes a difference. Talk to you later. Subscribe, like, and share.